Pavitra, and these are my friends, and we are from MBS College, Nagar. So today our project title is Eco-friendly Pest Management Utilizing Asian Weaver Ants, Isophilas malactina in mango orchards of Nagar district. Introduction part. So these Asian Weaver Ants are known as the natural pest control powerhouse. They can call as natural predators. They can control a wide range of agricultural pests, and they can reduce the mealybugs and caterpillars and other pests. And challenges in mango cultivation. These challenges face mainly like caterpillars and mealybugs and fruit flies, where they can reduce the yield and also good quality of the produce. And there is a need for eco-friendly pest management. These chemical controls can harm the human health and soil fertility and biodiversity. And these Asian Weaver Ants are great natural pest controllers. They can produce good yield, and also they can keep the bees healthy. And these can useful for further in mango orchards. And next, we can see the Asian Weaver Ant and the colony of Asian Weaver Ants. And Asian Weaver Ant eating fruit fly of the larva. Next, continued by Gaurav.
Objectives of the present study. The first objective is to assess the efficacy of Asian Weaver Ants in controlling pest population in mango orchards of Nagar district. The second objective is to evaluate the impact of using Asian Weaver Ants on crop yields and the reduction of chemical pesticide usage in mango cultivation. The further
Materials and methods. When we will continue to discuss about materials and methods, we will find 5 things among that: study area selection, materials, experimental design, data collection and data analysis. First one, study area selection. Location, that means the study was conducted in mango orchards across Nagar district, Telangana, focusing on orchards with a history of significant pest infestation. Criteria for orchard selection: mango orchard should be 1 to 2 hectares in size, presence of common mango pests such as fruit flies, caterpillars, mealybugs. The orchards needed to be easy to access for monitoring and maintenance. Next slide, please. Materials. Weaver ant colonies collected from nearby forests or orchards. The colonies included bees, workers and fruit. Experimental plots are divided into 2 groups: control plots where chemical pesticides were used, and experimental plots where Isophilas ant colonies were used for pest control. Next slide, please. Experimental design. Selected 6 mango orchards split into control and experimental plots, and each plot had 15 to 20 mango trees. In the experimental plots, 1 to 2 weaver ant colonies added per tree. Observed monitoring in mango season about 6 to 8 months. In data collection. Next slide, please. In data collection, pest monitoring means weekly observations in both plots to identify pests such as fruit flies, caterpillars, mealybugs, using sticky traps and visual surveys. Plant health assessment. Leaf damage score 0 to 5 on the scale. 0 means no damage, 5 means severe damages. Flowering and fruiting rates were recorded along with the total fruit yield measured in kilograms. And behavior and activity. Observe how the ants acted, including how they established their colonies, searched for food and interacted with pests. Next slide, please. And last one, data analysis. Comparative analysis. Compare pest numbers and plant health indicators between control and experimental plots. Analyze real data versus the impact of weaver ant introduction. Statistical tools for analysis. Use Excel or SPSS and T-test on ANOVA. Next, continue by SPM.
Pest population and reduction. We observed that in the experimental plots where weaver ants was introduced, there was a significant reduction in key mango pests, including fruit flies decreased about 60%, mealybugs decreased about 70%, and caterpillars decreased about 50%. These results suggest that the presence of weaver ant led to effective natural pest control, significantly lower pest density, and created orchards. Next slide, please. Statistical analysis of pest population reduction. As we can see in the graph, a tedious analysis confirmed that the pest population in experimental plots were significantly lower than in control plots, where plant health and fruit yield. In leaf damage, experimental plots, leaf damage caused by pest was 30% lower than in control plots. Leaves in experimental plots shows fewer signs of damage such as yellowing, holes, etc. Fruit yield, mango trees in experimental plots shows a significant improvement. On average, fruit yield was 25% higher in experimental plots compared to control plots, where control plot yield was 45 kg of mangoes per tree and experimental plot yield was 56.25 kg of mangoes per tree on average. This indicates a reduction in pests. Next slide, please. Statistical analysis of plant health and fruit yield. As we can see in the graph, ANOVA results indicate that fruit yield in experimental plots was significantly higher than in control plots, where p-value is 0.01, further supporting the beneficial role of weaver ants in improving plant health and productivity. Next, continued by Madina.
Results and discussions. Ant behavior and colony establishment. Colony establishment. Weaver ants settled on mango trees in all test plots. They started flourishing after 2 weeks and built strong colonies by end of the season. Flourishing behavior. The ants search large parts of the tree canopy for pests. They attack and remove pests like fruit flies, mealybugs and caterpillars. Impact on pests. Trees with ants have favor pests. Some pests run away from areas with showing a possible replant effect. Environmental and economic impact. Less pesticides used. Farmers use less pesticides because of weaver and these saved money and reduced harmful to the environment. More profits. Profits were 50% higher in test plots compared to the normal plots. Next, continued by
Discussion. Weaver ants for pest control. The study shows the weaver ants are good at controlling pests like fruit flies, mealybugs and caterpillars. This helps mango trees stay healthy and produce more fruits. Sustainable farming. Using weaver ants reduce the needs of pesticides, protecting the environment and saving money. This supports sustainable farming and promotes biodiversity. Best pest management. Weaver ants can be a part of biggest pest control plant with the other nature methods. This helps farmers and the environment. More research needed. More studies are needed to see how weaver ants affect soils and other species over time. Researchers should also test if they work well in large or different types of farms. Conclusion. The study shows the Asian weaver ants are an eco-friendly way to control pests in mango orchids. They reduce pests, improve plant health and increase fruit yield. This makes the useful of sustainable farming in Nagar, Kurnool district. Weaver ants can help farmers save money and protect the environment. They also offers a model for improving pest control in other regions. The last part of project is recommendation. Promotes weaver ant practices. Encourage mango farmers in Nagar, Kurnool district. They are using the Asian ant weavers to control the pest control. Organizing training programs and workshops to teach them the benefits such as saving on pesticides, health crops and better yield. Support research and monitoring. Local agriculture institute should study how ant control pests in mango orchids. Regulatory checks can help the improving ant management. References. These are the references we are used to do our project. Thanking you for my botanist, Dr. K. Hariprasad sir. Thank you, Wanda.
Yeah, congratulations, the students Eco-friendly Pest Management. I think